Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and we can check it in the Bluetooth, or if you have Android connected devices. So if you have iOS, you will see the line not connected, the text I mean. And if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning that your earbuds are disconnected. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. And we can also check it, if you need it, at the device list in the Bluetooth. So right here we have connection. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices. And with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!